In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your sign-in email on your Microsoft account. Whether you're looking to improve security or maybe you've just decided it's time for a new email address, this process is straightforward and can be done in just a few steps. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you want to head over to your web browser and navigate to account Microsoft.com. This is your go-to hub for all things related to your Microsoft account. Once there, you'll need to sign in using your current email and password. This ensures that Microsoft knows it's really you who's trying to make these changes. After you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the homepage of your account. At the top of this page, there's a navigation bar, and from there you want to select the option labeled Your Info. This section is where you can manage all your personal details and preferences related to your account. Next, in the Your Info section, look for the link that says Manage how you sign in to Microsoft. This is an important step because this link will take you to where you can configure your sign-in preferences. It might seem like a small step, but it's crucial for making the changes you want. Now, once you're there, you'll see a section for account aliases. This is where you have the option to add another email to your account. Click on Add Email. Here, you can either use an existing email address or, if you prefer, create a new Outlook.com address. Adding a new email will give you the flexibility to choose which one you prefer to use as your primary sign-in method. After you've added your new email, you'll need to make it your primary alias. Just find the new email you've added and select Make Primary next to it. This will switch your sign-in email to the new one, and it's just a quick confirmation step to seal the deal. You might wonder what happens to your old email. Well, if you want, you can remove it. To do this, simply select Remove next to the old email address. Just keep in mind that you must have at least one other email or phone number linked to your account in order to remove an alias. Once you've made these updates, it's a good idea to sign out and back into any devices you use with your Microsoft account. This action ensures that these changes are applied and that you're using the new email address for all future sign-ins. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your Microsoft account sign-in email. Remember, keeping your account details up to date is a great way to maintain security and ensure that you have access to all of Microsoft's services without any hiccups. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tech tips.